show you how to brush your teeth.
Yeah, what are you eating? What are you eating? Is it delicious? Do you like it? Why do you like it? Oh, what else? And Healthy, are you sure? It will break your teeth because it's sweet. You like your teeth to get broken? Huh? Do you like your teeth to get broken? What will you do after eating sweets? What will you do after eating sweets? What should you do so that your teeth won't get broken? What should you do?
Brush my teeth.
Good. Why do you need to brush your teeth? Because what will happen if you don't brush your teeth? What will happen if you don't brush your teeth after eating sweet? What will happen? What will get broken? What will get broken? And then you have to also drink a lot of. What will you drink after eating sweets? I should drink a lot of
What?
Why are you stirring it? There's nothing in there. No need to stir it. Drink na! Hey. Oh, you almost finished it. How about no straw? Can you drink it with no straw? Let's see. Can you do it now? Go! Drinking with no straw. Yummy can do it. I can do it all by myself. Go Yummy, you can drink water with no straw. Why are you still using a straw? Ay, you're playing around again. get wet again. You don't have clothes anymore. I can do it. I can do it. Yummy, and I can show you. I will show you.
I will show you how to brush your teeth.
Okay, how to do it. First,
First,
what's first?
we use some toothpaste.
Okay, you need help?
Yeah, I need help.
Okay, and then
Squeeze
squeeze it,
it.
and then put a little on your toothbrush, and then wow! Big I'll show you the whole. Yeah. Because you know, the chocolate is stuck there. Yeah, like that. Very good. Gargle it, gargle it. Let me check. Let me check. Check, mommy. Open na. Swallow it na. Ah. Say ah. Say ah. I'll check it. I'll check it. Say ah. Ah. Okay, very good. It's clean. You should do that, huh? After you eat chocolate or candy, you should brush right away.